Let's keep it real estate. Word on the street is that you have made the decision to make a move to eXp Realty. But how do you actually join eXp? Well, I'm so glad you asked, because in this video, I'm going to share with you the resources in place so you know what to expect before, during, and after the eXp onboarding process. Are you ready? Play my intro. Over the past several years, eXp has made a significant effort in order to make and streamline the agent onboarding process, so much so that you very well could be an active eXp agent within 24 hours. But there are some nuances that you need to be aware of in order to make a smooth move to eXp Realty. Now, first things first. I'm the realist. First things first, you need to determine who has influenced you the most to join eXp Realty. Now, this could be the first person at eXp that you talk to. This could be the fifth person that you talk to about eXp. It doesn't matter. The person who should be named sponsor is the person that is most aligned with you and is going to support you throughout and beyond your career at eXp. So make sure you have that name locked down and you know what their eXp email is, as well as you will need that when you do the eXp application process. And make sure you choose wisely, because this is a choice that you cannot reverse once you join eXp. Now, if you want to learn more about what an eXp sponsor is and their roles and responsibilities to you, then make sure to check out this video. I will link in the cards above and downstairs in the description box down below. Now, let's talk about the nuances, or rather tips, I have for you as you go throughout the eXp join application and the sign up process. Now, when you're ready to join eXp Realty and name Laressa Ngoeun as your sponsor, she's going to send you a website that looks just like this. So you're going to select your country, US or Canada, and what you'll notice here is that there is a concierge assistant chat. So do take advantage of that if you have any questions throughout the application process. Now, essentially, when you choose your country, what it is going to prompt you is to actually create an account with eXp. So new eXp Realty agent. Now, one thing that I wish I knew before I joined was to actually create a brand new Gmail account. And the reason why I say Gmail is because when you join eXp, after you join, you will have what is called an email alias. And that email alias is what is going to connect to your personal email account. So it's basically like a forwarding address, if you will. But what I wish I would have known is to create a brand new account. So that way, when you join eXp, all of your eXp emails are just going to go into one single inbox and database. So it's going to make your life that much more easier. So go ahead and create that. Now, again, you will have to create the basic account with eXp, and once you do that, it's going to then prompt you to go throughout the join application process. So that is about a six there's 6 sections of the onboarding application, if you will. And that is basically to create a profile with eXp. And once you submit that application, that is what the onboarding team is going to see. And then once they know which area you are located in, they're going to push that application and your file to the appropriate broker team in either your state or your province, right? Now, one thing I want to share with you is that eXp has some incredible tools that they have put in place, again, to make onboarding very seamless and streamlined, so you know what to expect when you join eXp. So I'm going to take you to this page here. I'm going to link it in the description box down below, because this is a live toolkit. But if you come here, this is the onboarding resource guide, and it shows you here pre-onboarding, currently onboarding, or new eXp agent toolkit. Now, right now we are in pre-onboarding, which is doing that eXp join application and sign up process. Now, again, there is a full kind of in-depth presentation as to how to submit your application, how to create your account with eXp. And as you see here, we have this little diagram. It's your dashboard, essentially. So this is going to show you the application process. As I said, it's about 6 steps here. But the actual application, so there's an application and the onboarding process. So the application here is going to make up your profile. So they're going to ask you for personal information, for your sponsor information here. So again, make sure you know who your sponsor is. me. And then we have your license information, which is the next step here. So that, again, this is going to walk you through everything. But what I'm looking at up here is actually, hold on, let me fix my mouse so I can zoom in. Here we have the license step and then experience level and financial and documents. And so this is all really important because this is going to gauge the caliber of agent that you are, whether you are a brand new real estate agent, whether you are a team leader, a brokerage, or a more seasoned veteran agent. And as you get through to the financial part, do make sure that you have both a credit card ready on file and your direct deposit information. So the direct deposit is for when you start to do deals with eXp. That is for eXp to direct deposit, pay you your commission. And with the credit card stuff, that is because there is a startup fee at eXp. So it's $149 for my US agents and a $199 startup fee for my Canadian real estate agents out there. So again, here is that step here. So financial, and the last bit is just documents here. So as I mentioned, I will link this in the description box down below so you can read on about this. I just wanted to just show you that this exists as well. And again, that document part there, which is step 6, is where you are going to sign the independent contractor agreement and all the necessary documentation that is required for your country. Okay. So there is that. And once you submit that application, that's going to go to the onboarding team. You're going to be in the queue, and this basically you are in the review process. So as I mentioned, the application has that 6 genre part, and then once you submit the application, we are in the application process, onboarding process. So you can see here your application status. So this is actually about a 6-step onboarding process. And you can see your status there because, again, we created your eXp account in the beginning here, right? And so there is information more about what is entailed after the onboarding process, step by step. And you will have access to the onboarding team as well, as they will be in contact with you as your application is in the review process. So that was, again, the pre-onboarding part. Now the onboarding process, if we go to the onboarding section up here, again, I kind of just briefly mentioned that, where you can track your onboarding status. Again, we created your account and there is that 6-step kind of chronological order of what to expect. Now here you can access your agent resources. So everything is on this page for you to see, but let's click on this, find your state resources. Okay, so let's say you are joining from what state do we want? Texas. All right, let's see, you're joining from Texas. So this is something that you can look at before you're even in eXp, but this is going to show you all the resources as well of what to expect. So really nice and convenient. So that was the onboarding process. Now, one thing I really want to make sure I mentioned, did I mention this? Yeah, you want to make sure that you do the application on a desktop or a laptop. Please do it on a desktop or a laptop. Don't do it on your phone. You need to do this on desktop, so that way it will properly save. Because again, as I mentioned, because you have created a account with eXp, you don't necessarily have to fill out the whole application in one single go. You can fill it out and then log out and then come back later if you need to, if you're missing something. So don't feel like you have to do it all in one go, but please make sure that you do it on a laptop so that it does save all of your work. And my friends, that is pretty much it for the application process. Much of what I talked about, again, will be listed in this website here. I will put this link in the description box down below, so that way you can go ahead and just read up on all of the necessary information. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and book a call with me here. You can scan this QR code here, or you can find the link in the description box down below. But as I mentioned, if we are not partnered yet and you want to learn more about eXp Realty's business model and the compensation structure here, as well as the incredible value stack and value proposition of the Wolfpack, then I highly recommend you check out this video right over here. And if you're ready, get ready to click in 3, 2, 1.